Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin with precise identifiers: full name, city, and an approximate age. Enter the name into the people field and add the city to reduce noise. This quickly filters out unrelated matches. Once done, select whether you want phone, address, or email results. Each toggles different data sources. Make sure to enable filters like age range or middle, initial when available to sharpen results. If you have a last known workplace, add it to narrow hits immediately and avoid endless scrolling. Now you refine. Sort results by relevance and apply filters such as age, relatives, or previous cities. This reduces false positives. You should compare available details, listed relatives, associated addresses, or profile photos to confirm identity before proceeding. Once you identify one or two strong candidates, open their summary cards and inspect contact types shown. If the match is ambiguous, note alternate spellings and nearby municipalities. Then rerun the search with those variations to catch misleading. Finish by accessing the full report or contact details. If a paywall appears, use trial options or export only the verified fields you need. Save screenshots or export data to your records. This prevents repeated searches and documents what you found. If results are empty, expand the search radius, try alternate spellings, or remove the city filter to catch relocations. One key troubleshooting tip: clear browser cache and retry if the site returns inconsistent results. This often resolves display or filter bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.